In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Redix on folders, files, or hard drive on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is we can uninstall OneDrive. So for that, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type appwiz.cpl. Click on appwiz.cpl control panel item. In the search bar, simply type OneDrive. You'll find Microsoft OneDrive. All you have to do is make a right click and then select the uninstall button. Okay, make sure that you have unlinked your PC from this before you can go on uninstalling it. Once uninstalled, restart your Windows once. For the next method, we can run the system file checker scan. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on run as administrator in the right pane and type this command sfc space forward slash scan now. Hit enter. Scan now is just one word and there is no space in between. This will scan for and fix any system corrupted files, so you just have to wait for the process to be done. And once this is 100% completed, just simply close the command prompt window and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows once. Next method, you have to make a right click at the start button. Then you have to select File Explorer. Click on this PC on the left pane. You'll find your Windows C drive. Make a right click and then select Properties. Click on the Tools tab and here you'll find this option Check for error checking. Click on that and click on Scan Drive and wait for the scanning process to be done. Once this is done, you can just restart your Windows once and that's it. So do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.